Okay, so we're going to work on adjusting the valves on Gus here. So I got to turn the motor so that one of the injectors is all the way down, which means the valves will be all the way up. So let's turn it here and see where we're at. Okay, these ones are starting to release. So we'll start with this one. Okay. Okay, so that one's fully released. So the right one, there's play. Left one, oh, there's a little bit. So let's get our feeler gauges and see what we're at. There's 0.17. And there's 0.14. So I can't get it in anywhere. Wow. No way. It'd just be so much easier if I had the proper wrenches. I don't. I need a little bit smaller. I think it's 3/8. I'll be right back. I'm going to go double check the spec in the manual, and I'm going to get a smaller wrench. So. Okay, so the spec is 15 to 17 thou. I should be able to pass. Oh, I just closed these up. I should be able to pass a 15 thou. Through it, and when it's snug, and you put a 17 under it to adjust it, tighten it up against the 17, and then pull that out, and a 15 should pass under it. So you're checking between. Now these aren't spring-loaded bridges, so on non-spring-loaded bridges, you're checking between the rocker and the bridge. So 15 should pass, and it's not even close. So we're gonna loosen up this. So this is probably why we're hard to start, because I haven't got enough compression when it's cold. I'm going the wrong way, I'm tightening it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, but we're upside down. And there are special wrenches you can buy to do this that makes your life a whole lot easier. I don't have those, but I need to do this. So we're just going to be careful not to strip anything. We're getting closer. Okay, so 15 passes through it. Oh, there we go. I'm getting 17. So that's probably right there where we want to be. So I'm going to snug that up. So I'm going to hold the rod from turning here so we don't lose our adjustment. And I'm going to snug it from the top with the top wrench. Really hard to do with special wrenches. I'm going to invest in a set, I think, after this. I can't even get 2 wrenches in there. I'm just going to have to snug it and check it. It's going to turn a little bit, but Okay, that's snugged up. Okay, let's see if the 15 will pass. Yep. Oh, I can just... Oh, I'd say that's a no-go. I had to force it. Okay, so that one's set. This one I think I need to back off some. Let's try that. Oh, you know what? That was the 16th how I passed it through. So 17 definitely wouldn't have gone. Where'd my 17 go? There's my 17. Let's put the 16 away. Okay, so. Okay, so I've got it backed off too far now. It was too tight. Let's snug it down. Okay. Let's see if the 15 will pass. Yep. And the 17 doesn't go, so that one's adjusted. So let's rotate it to the next cylinder. So number 2 is going to be the next one by the look of it. Turn that a little bit further just to make sure we're all the way. Yeah, we're there. Let's check it. Let's put a 15 under it. Oh, nope. Try this side. Nope. Let's loosen them. Let's do 6 next. Okay. Tell right off the bat, this one's too tight. Okay, let's get our 17 under there. Okay. Let's try our go. Go. And no go. Okay. Let's do this side. A little long to get in here, but I can make it work. Oh. Still won't go. Let's loosen it a bit more. There we go. challenge of not being able to hold the push rod as I do this is it slightly changes the adjustment as I snug it. Go. No go. Okay. So what I discovered here today is all of the valves were set really tight and had to be loosened off. Gus had been sitting a long time, probably lots of short starts and being moved around the yard. Lots of carbon buildup. Maybe somebody adjusted the valves with the carbon buildup. Not sure. I don't know the history on Gus, but had a good run on the highway getting him home. All the valves were adjusted up here. Helped my cold start issue quite a bit. Starting out much better in the morning. And as you'll see in a sec here, he's running great. Put back together the valve train with the broken bridge missing. I just pulled the broken pieces out. It's a 4-valve head. We're going to run it with the 2 valves just disconnected for now. And we're going to deal with that in the spring. If you liked our video today, please like and subscribe, and you'll get to see more of us. Thanks for watching. guess the air shutdown doesn't work if you don't have air, but there you go, folks. It's a 2-valve, 4-valve.